So you're ready to jump into Docker, but don't know where to start? Perfect. You're in exactly the right place. We're going to get your first application containerized. Let's do this.
Okay, first things first. You got to get Docker Desktop up and running. Just think of it as your personal command center for Docker. It's this super clean, easy-to-use interface for managing all your containers.
So why is this such a big deal? Well, for starters, it makes building and running your apps way simpler. It also makes sharing what you've built incredibly easy. But maybe the best part? It completely solves that classic, super annoying, well, it works on my machine problem. Your code runs the same everywhere for everyone. No more surprises.
All right, you ready to get your hands dirty? Let's walk through building your very first Docker image. And trust me, it's a really simple 3-step process.
Step 1, you create an image repository. It's basically just a folder for your project up on Docker Hub. Step 2, you build the actual image, which is kind of like a snapshot of your app. And finally, step 3, you just push that new image to Docker Hub so other people can grab it. Seriously, that's all it takes to get your work out into the world.
And this is where the real power of Docker kicks in. See, you're not just building something for your own computer. By pushing that image, you can instantly share it with your team or, hey, even the entire developer community. Collaboration just becomes a total breeze.
So, there you have it. The foundation is set and the tools are right there at your fingertips. The only thing left to ask is, what amazing thing are you going to build first?